Look at that bike. It's the bike I'm building. Yeah, and this pan where I just go buy now for scrap. You see, and those pipe. Buy it now, you can complete it. You see, you can complete this for this. I buy this one 7,000. And then those small cheaper, that's nice. Not better. They call it iron condemn, but for me, you don't get iron condemn. This thing I buy, you don't get scrap. I go even call it scrap. We people they call an iron condemn, person where they buy gets in status. And I think it's an army bike. And today we are finally done with the bike. And we are about to do testing to see how this thing works. Okay, let me turn on the camera. So this is the bike. So guys, you say I should not hold up my phone. I should stop holding my phone and riding bike. So today I'm gonna give someone the camera so we can see what we got here. Okay, guys. You can see we have our box here. You see, that's look pretty good, guys.